Hello everybody, welcome to the 2024 Headquarters USACE G3 over-engineered gingerbread castle competition. So today we've got 3 contestants who are going to be providing their gingerbread castles that they made in resemblance of the USACE logo that are going to be going through some stress tests. We've got judging criteria, aesthetic design, is it creative, is it look very nice, is it appealing to the eye, structural integrity, how well does it stand up, innovation in materials, precision in craftsmanship, and stress test performance, which is going to be the fun part that we'll get to here in a minute. We've got several different tests that we're going to go through for what we're going to test them. We're going to do a seismic test with a massage gun earthquake machine that we've put together. We've got wind resistance to mimic typhoon force winds of 100 miles an hour through a leaf blower, and max load tolerance with a few different weights that you might be able to find around the house, going from 1 pound up to 2 pounds, and also submersion to mimic a flash flood. But that's it. We can go to the contestants.
All of my materials are store-bought. I didn't make anything from scratch or at home, so if you want to know how to make this at work and in the microwave, this is your design. We have graham crackers, lots of frosting and chocolate, and then a few spice drops, and Twizzlers just for design on the outside, and support beams with chocolate-covered pretzel rods.
Well, I just designed a castle, gingerbread castle, in the design of the USACE castle. And pretty much from gingerbread package houses, basically with I just made a base, a cookie base, just made of approximately cooked about 100 cookies worth of dough, and some graham crackers as steps. Pretty much, it's a hollow design, so you can see right through it. Hopefully it should be strong enough to withstand the test.
We'll start from the foundation, which is a chocolate layer cake to kind of help with the shearing aspects of the earthquake test. Going up, it's all handmade or homemade gingerbread, soft gingerbread with icing for the mortar and a little bit of maple syrup to try to add a little bit of glistening and that sticky texture to it. And then we're topped with some M&Ms.
How do you think you're going to fare against everybody else?
Not well. Theirs look very strong. Not well at all.
Oh, I think I fared pretty well. I'm feeling pretty confident.
I think I'll beat 1 out of 2 on at least one of the tests. I'm thinking the weight test, hopefully, but my parapets may not withstand the weight, so design flaw on my part there. So, but I think I'll do okay on that one.
Which one do you think is the best?
So
Give me something.
So I'm sorry. I do like the gumdrops. It's a nice touch. I'm going here.
Innovation in materials. I don't know. She's got the Twizzlers and the gumdrops
And the pretzel columns.
Yeah, the columns on the inside. That's nice. I will say that Paul's does have a door. Yours does not have a door. We'll close one of the interior doors I see going into the parapets. Precision and craftsmanship, uniformity. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of a tie between those two, but he's kind of sealed the deal for that. So.
So after the first round of judging, all contestants are tied. Next up, the stress test.
Our first test is going to be simulating a blizzard condition where you're going to have a lot of snow in the form of powdered sugar. So we're going to be placing it on top of the structures and seeing how well they handle it. Then additionally, if they make it through that, we might continue on with other small household items that you might be able to place, which would altogether end up being 2 pounds. But I don't know that we'll get that far. We'll see. We don't want to destroy all of them at the first time, so maybe we'll just do the sugar. We'll see. This has got a column. Oh!
What? I'm shocked. I didn't know it was going to make it through. I'm surprised.
Not going anywhere.
All right.
It's actually pushing it up.
Just waiting for more weight, man. That's it. That's it. You know, that weight was lightweight.
It's just icing. I'm quite happy that we made it through the first test. Honestly, I'm really excited. Really excited.
So all contestants have made it to round 3.
This next test is going to be water. We're going to be mimicking a deluge of rain with just a all-purpose spray bottle. But I do need to fill it up a little bit more, I think. Ready? Oh no.
Well, the gingerbread didn't break, but the bottle broke.
So after a slight malfunction, we have discovered the spray bottle is no more. On to the wind test. All designs stood strong against the wind, netting another point for each contestant.
Level
All right,
one?
yeah, we're going to start with the first level because it's pretty intense.
Okay. Well,
Go.
definite structural damage.
Oh, the
Occurring.
chocolate's like beginning to split a little bit. All right.
So while one started to show some damage, it's still standing. Each contestant gets 1 point. The ante has been upped, and so does the power on the earthquake test.
All right, ready, go. Oh, no.
any surprises for you?
Only that it lasted as long as it did. That's the only one.
One contestant is down and 2 are remaining. It's time to throw everything they have at the last 2.
2 pounds of snow and chickpeas. All right. All right. There we go. You have a second massage gun.
Actually, I feel good. I thought we were going to go down in the first couple of rounds on the earthquake test, but so it looks like the cake base for shear support helped out quite a bit.
My stairs were kind of moving away from my building a little bit, but other than that, you know, it's still holding up. You know, I'm surprised. Yeah, I'm not really surprised by any of that.
And while tests were continuing on the other 2, the first one to fall just continued to disintegrate. So they decided to bring out the water.
It still made it.
The stairs floated away.
And then hit him again with wind.
But the castle is still there.
There you go.
After multiple rounds, 2 were still tied. So it's time to bring out one last weight test.
Man, why do you do that?
It's going. It's going. It's
Oh,
going.
keep pushing down on mine.
Oh!
Survived. See?
Well, then that would definitely.
Yeah, this is like 2 pounds. I'm not even like I'm lifting, and that won't go
It
down.
ain't going anywhere.
How do you feel about your win?
I feel great. You know, I pretty much knew that it was pretty hard and well fortified, well built. You know, as you know, I'm not an engineer, I'm a logistician, but that should show you. And that, in logisticians, they make things happen.
None of the materials used were brought by the U.S. government. It was all individually owned and operated. Also, I just want to say all of the gingerbread castles were very resilient, more so than we thought. All of them. And I think that the takeaway here is that you're a lot more resilient than you think. Have a great day. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy holidays.
All right.